Hey guys, Huda here from the.comgal.com, and today I'm here with a new tutorial, with a new WordPress tutorial showing you how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel. So let's get started. Alright, so for whatever reason you may have, maybe you have a hacked site and you have a clean backup that you want to install, so you want to delete the current one, or maybe you don't want to use WordPress anymore for whatever reason you have. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very easy. First of all, you have to log in into your cPanel. So depending on the hosting that you're using, your cPanel might be different. I use Beyond Hosting. So it might be different from yours, but the most important thing is that you have to have access to something that is called software installer or Softaculous, and that's where you go to WordPress. So you click on WordPress, and before I uninstall WordPress in my current blog, I want to show you what it looks like. So this is a dummy site that I've just created for this tutorial and for other tutorials as well. So it's already a site that is already up, and it has a couple of blog posts here, as you can see. So I'm going to delete this whole thing now. So what I do is, after clicking on WordPress, I just scroll down to the site that I want to delete, and I simply click on the X button here that says remove. So it will tell you a few things, that it's, you know, it can be undone and whatever. And hopefully by that time you will have had a backup already done. Like, you should always back up, you know, your WordPress anyway, regardless. So you should back it up first, in case, you know, if you make a mistake, you change your mind, whatever, just back it up first before you delete it, so that if you want to install it somewhere else, you can do that. And then we click on remove installation. And then it gives you this final message, warning type thing, and you just click on OK, and it's done. It takes a couple seconds, and that's it. So now let's have a look at the site again. Let's go ESL joined, and the site is gone. It's as simple as that. That's how you delete or uninstall your WordPress installation. I hope that you've learned something from this video. I hope you like it. If you do, press the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content. If you have any questions or if anything is unclear, please leave me a comment. I would be happy to respond and answer your questions. If you have any topics you want me to cover, please do tell me as well. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.